Hi, this is Usman. Welcome to Usman Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss a simple problem related to average speed. The question is, a car travels at a velocity of 80 km per hour during first half of its running time and at 40 km per hour during other half. Find the average speed of the car. We know that average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time. Let us assume 2 points A and B. A car started from A and it has reached B in time t hours. For this total time, first half of the journey it has traveled with 80 kmph and other half it has traveled with 40 kilometers per hour. In order to find the average speed, we should know the distance traveled by the car and let the distance be d kilometers. Now let us find the distance traveled by the car for first half of the time. We know that speed is equal to distance by time, and for half of the time the car has traveled with 80 kilometers per hour speed, and we don't know the distance, let it be d1, and half of the time, so t by 2. From this we get d1 is equal to 80 into t by 2. So finally the distance traveled by the car for first half of the time is 40 kilometers. Now let us find what is the distance traveled by the car for second half of the time, and as we know speed is equal to distance by time, and for that half of the time speed is 40 kmph, distance be d2 and time be t by 2. d2 is equal to 40 into t by 2. So finally distance traveled for remaining half time is 20 kilometers. Now let us find what is the total distance traveled by the car for this entire journey, that is d1 plus d2, and we got d1 as 40 kilometers and d2 as 20 kilometers, and we will get 60 kilometers. Now let us see what is total time, and we know that total time is divided into two halves, that is t by 2 plus t by 2. So finally t hours. This is the total time. Now let us find the average speed. We know that total distance by total time, that is equal to 60 kilometers per hour is the average speed of the car, and we can convert this into meters per second by multiplying the given value with 5 by 18, and we get the answer as 16.66 meters per second. This is how we find the average speed of the car. Thank you for watching this video.